Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This week I'm taking a much needed break, so I thought it would be the perfect time to bring back my 4th of July tablescape, one of my favorite ones I should say. I actually posted this video a week before the 4th of July, so a lot of people didn't get a chance to recreate it. So if you're looking for ideas for this 4th of July, I highly recommend this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an American flag backdrop panel, a beginner-friendly balloon garland with balloon tape, and I'm also gonna show you how I style my 4th of July tablescape. All right, guys, let's get to the video. We're gonna start with the vinyl that we are gonna place on this side right here. So blue with the stars and stripes. Cut 2 pieces of the vinyl. Since it already comes in 12 inches wide, all you have to do is cut each piece to 24 inches long. Then you're going to grab your 3-inch vinyl roll and place it onto the panel using the same pattern you see us creating here. This method also helps prevent wasting vinyl while keeping the spacing nice and even. We are going to finish up the flag with the stars. These are actually felt. I think it comes in a packet of 50 exactly. I'm going to be using blue dots. For the stars, you're going to follow a pattern of 5 stars across the top, then 4 stars underneath, placed in between the top row. Continue repeating that pattern all the way down until all 50 stars are placed onto the blue vinyl. How about we try to make a garland out of this? How can we make it so it doesn't look so cheap? What is it? Trashy. Not trashy, but it just looks not professional looking. I'm gonna tell you what the problem is. Number one, the gaps are really wide. So we're gonna try to figure a way to fill those in a little more so we can make it better for y'all.
Yeah, I can make the 14. Can you hand me that?
So instead of only using one, like they expect you to do here, 1 and 1, we're gonna put 1 through the loop and then we're gonna tie the other one to it. We're gonna tie a loop. Because my problem with this, once you place this 1 by 1, it just looks very thin. So we're just gonna do 2 instead. Make sure to tie tight so there's less gaps in between balloons. Bring it all the way in there. Look at that. This method is definitely for the person who has never made a balloon garland before and needs a little assistance. This will help make your garland look a little bit more professional looking. You do a 17 with an 8 or 10, and then it doesn't matter the size. Every 4 balloons has to be a 17. The sizes of your 11-inch balloons doesn't really matter. What matters is that you use a 17-inch balloon every 3 to 4 quads. Now we're going to make 3-inch and 5-inch quads to add to the garland for dimension. Once you inflated your 3-inch and 5-inch quads, you're going to tie the 3-inch quads on top of the 5-inch quads, then set them aside until your garland has been secured onto the backdrop panel. And then you can add 24-inch balloons to finish the look. Hey guys, today I'm sharing my 4th of July tablescape, classic red, white, and blue using my favorite Chinoiserie pieces. I started with a red striped tablecloth, then added Chinoiserie flower vases and navy accent vases. Filled them with these gorgeous faux blue hydrangeas I found at Walmart. They look so real, I was honestly very impressed. For each place setting, I layered Chinoiserie chargers, modern Patriotic paper plates, and Chinoiserie solid plates. Aren't these lovely? Look how pretty they are. I love mixing disposable and classic pieces for a setup that's both stylish and easy to clean up. Who doesn't like that, right? Finish it off with these. Then I added vintage style wine glasses and navy goblets to bring a little charm and color. I'm gonna let it organically fall And I'm going to add the star napkin ring, and I'm just going to pull it through. Very easy. And that's that. To finish the look, I used red cloth napkins with gold star napkin rings. This tablescape feels festive, effortless, and pulled together. Perfect for celebrating with family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY entertaining ideas. Wishing you guys a safe and happy 4th of July. All right, guys, bye.